Grand Prairie ISD is dedicated to the safety of our students. We transport thousands of eligible students each day and will continue to make modifications to our procedures to ensure the safety of our students and staff. When in-person instruction begins, all students will wear a mask while on a bus for the safety of themselves and others. Bus drivers will monitor students to ensure they have a mask and are wearing it correctly. Students will use hand sanitizer as they enter and exit the buses. All students will load from the back of the bus forward and unload front to back. GPISD bus drivers will wipe down the handrails, dispenser, and seats between every run. Grand Prairie ISD is committed to offering safe transportation to our students.